Good morning, guys. I hope you're well. So, we're going to talk about probably one of the best groundbreaking techs that are out there, and this is Cycle Network. What is Cycle Network? Why would I be making a video on it? Simply because no one else has made a video on it, and I'm big on the tech side, and I get really excited about these type of projects. This has no token yet attached to it, so I'm simply here just to talk about the tech. There's nothing more to it, but here's the problem we have in crypto. I have so many different wallets, I'm on so many different chains, and I have so much liquidity all over. It's fragmented, and this is an issue. Like, there's always a chain that's doing well, like Solana's doing well now, Ethereum was doing well before, BNB. This solves the issue of you having so many different chains, so many different wallets. Because they had an SDK that anyone can integrate into their application, their dApp, what that means is I can integrate their tech to my software or my dApp or my application, and anyone from any network can use their liquidity, whatever chain it's on, to use my dApp. So they call it liquidity abstraction. If that's confusing, stay with me because this is something where it's pretty simple to do. In simplistic terms, it gives you the code, you can explore it, and in 30 minutes you can integrate it. Now, why I think this will be big is because everyone will just add it. Even if no one uses it on their dApp, people must systematically add it to their application because it will get them more users. And if this grows and to the point where people start to say, okay, this and that, this is the evolution of crypto. I'm telling you, from a development point of view, I can see this doing, many people either copying this idea or doing it similar, but basically you can roll it everything up. So there's not a problem of what chain should I build on. You build on any chain and you get the liquidity or the users from every chain regardless. Anyone can connect their wallet, Phantom, MetaMask, whatever. It's all in one. So this is quite groundbreaking. It's similar to the ZK rollups where your transactions all get batched into one and then it's all funneled through one network. This is very similar, but for users rather than transactions. You can go on. So they have some applications that they've got some good things. I'm actually playing with this at the moment, and I'm going to be buying one of their NFTs for the launch of one of their projects. They also have this piggyback, which is asset management. We could check out some of them as well. I don't think there's anything on here, but it's mainly NFTs. And like I said, there's no bridge involved. So when you bridge over to a chain or you send funds over, there's usually a bridge. With Cycle Network, you won't have that. Honestly, it's a good network and it's something to be bullish on as well. And they have this, I guess it's a game as well. But numbers wise, I was having a look at this Goose Finance and I was having a look at their sort of mainnet application. So this is live and they have it live on BSC at the moment. Obviously, they'll integrate it on all chains when they're live, but they have a lot of numbers and they seem to be growing in a pretty good way. 200,000 users. That's quite a lot for an application for um, let's just confirm my little wallet here. So I've been playing with this Goose Finance. We'll touch on it. There's an NFT coming out, and I'll talk about it in another video. I'll link it once I've made the video, because in a few days I think they're launching their own little golden NFT they call it, and that's going to give us a Cycle Air Network airdrop, which if I've looked at the numbers correctly should give us a break even on it, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So I'm not gonna buy the token. I'm gonna buy the NFT and do that. Obviously, they're not making a loss on it. It's an NFT, and they're airdropping people. So that's their way of airdropping. So this is my little goose, and this game basically you buy these little gooses and you earn, like it says, each goose will soon be able to generate daily cash flows, and you have to feed it some coins and stuff like that. So that's literally what I'm going to be doing on this, and it helps me dive into the Cycle network as well. And they're using USDT, so from any chain, you'll come over and you'll deposit, you'll connect your wallet. They integrate a lot of wallets. I think I've got Phantom and MetaMask. I deposited on BSC. You buy these little eggs. I'll leave my link to this in the description. I brought these ones, one of these to test it out. I'm going to wait for it to launch. I'm going to buy more. What I would advise you to do if you're looking to buy, go to the market, and it's much cheaper to buy here. So literally buy one of these, $1.08, so $1.80, and it's much cheaper than actually buying an egg here. That's what I would suggest to do. So for $2, you can start earning, get your passive income coming in as well. And you can obviously see your eggs and stuff like that. I'll let you explore this game. I think it's pretty cool. I like these kind of minor type of games, and obviously we're going to earn VGOOS rewards. I'm not sure if there's going to be a VGOOS token or whatnot, but look, it's a good little project. Definitely, I'll link to Cycle Network. They have their transactions I've been looking at. I'm looking at their block explorer as well. So there is things going live on it. Let me refresh. And people are using the network. It's just gone mainnet as well. So most of the transactions are still on testnet. Once they get dapps integrated into it, the Cycle network will obviously do way, way better. And you can obviously explore things if you want to be like me, but I think most of the transactions are happening on the Goose network at the moment. And a lot of people will still use BSC. I'm using BSC, but look, it integrates everything. So I'm happy with it as a project. Literally, these are the sort of projects, altcoins you got to be looking at. And like I said, I'm going to buy the NFT for the Goose, and then I'm going to hopefully get some rewards off of that, break even, and I'll wait for Cycle Network to launch as well and see how that does. So I wish you all the best, guys. Any questions? Leave a comment below.